Scott Skiles and the Bucks visiting the Oklahoma City Thunder on debut night in Oklahoma City, and the Bucks not nice guests. First up, it's former #1 pick Andrew Bogut with the right-handed punch, and then it's the new Buck Richard Jefferson from downtown for the three. He had 20 on the night, and matching Jefferson, it's Charlie Villanueva with the control jumper. He had 20 as well. In Oklahoma City, the new man off the bench now, it's Chris Wilcox. He paced the Thunder with 15 points. And then out of the corner, it's the slingshot Michael Redd with the three-pointer. And the Bucks are cruising up 18 in the second quarter. Former Rookie of the Year Kevin Durant goes baseline, throwing it down with two hands. But Durant just 12 points on the night for Oklahoma City. About former Cowboy Desmond Mason, cowboying up with the two-handed slam, but the Bucks were down 20. Michael Redd inside seals this thing, and the Bucks even their record at 1-1. The final 98-87. Both teams struggling handling the ball. They each had 19 turnovers in the game.